How to add before and after slider to Shopify. Well, as you know that if I just go to my store, currently there's a no such option available into Shopify, right? And there are some of you available, but those are paid. For example, section store. So this app is pretty much paid. That's why it's not too much popular. But I can just give a solution which is completely for free. So you have to just go to the online store. Make sure you go to the theme section here, and in the theme section you have to install a Dawn theme, right? So here you can just search for Dawn here, and you can see this is here, and you have to just click on try theme, right? And here it will just take a few seconds to preparing your theme here. Now once you have added the Dawn theme here, make sure you exit up, and here let's say this is a Dawn, so we will just test out in a normal theme, right? Once everything is okay, then we will make this our current theme. Click on the three dots here. Now just go and click on edit code, and once you're here you have to go to section part. So as you can see here, this is a section. Click on this drop down menu. Now here you will get this add a new section. So this is here, make sure it is selected liquid, and in the file name we will just write here before after, right? And we will just go and click on done, right? Okay, so I can't use a hyphen here, so okay, we will just write here before after and just go and click on done right now. Okay, so once you have added, you will get here. And by the way, if you're not able to rename, so make sure you just try with some different words which you can remember, right? Now whatever the here code is available, make sure you select each and everything and delete it, and I will give you a new code, right? And you have to paste it up there. And here I have pasted the code here. Now you have to do nothing. You have to just go and click on save. And now you have to go and click on the three dots. Before that, make sure you that remember this name here, right? And so for us, it is before test, right? Dot liquid. So just go and click on the three dots. Now go and click on customize theme. You will be redirected to a new page here. Once you're here, just go and click on here section. So this is add section, so make sure you just go and click on add section. The name was before test, right? So I will just write here, everything will be shown, so just go and click on this. And right now we have available this before and after. So let's say, just for an example, I will select the first image here, and here let's say that I will select this image. You can look for here before image and just add here after image. As you can see here, the title is given up here. Just go and click on here before, and let's say I will just go and select black and white, right? So it should get into black and white, right? And if I just make everything is good and show, if you want to show badges and everything, you can show up the badges as well as the grayscale for before image, right? And show content, you can just adding here. So I'll just write here heading results, right? You can just add the content and everything, right? And now guys, you can say it's worked perfectly fine. This is how it's looked before and after. If you don't like this grayscale, so I will just remove this grayscale here, and now it's much better. If you find this is not moving, so make sure first of all save it, right? And then just go and click here and then click and hold and it will move, right? By the way, it's worked both on desktop as well as in the phone version. So this is how it's look, right? It's really nice. This is how you can do it, and I hope that you came to know that how you can add before and after section in your Shopify. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.